Hello guys, welcome to the another video. Today we will complete our next module, validating Slack Enterprises grid design with client. Okay, so start with first task, run a grid design workshop. Okay, both we select, then check the quiz to earn 100 point, then create a executive summary. Okay, and check the quiz to earn 100 point. Okay, so now we have done this validating Slack Enterprises grid design with the client. So if you really like this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel as well.